Hello traders, in this short analysis I'm going to look at GBPJPY from multi-time frame perspective. As early today GBP had a huge movement due to the news release, and we can see that currently GBPJPY is trending aggressively. So first of all, let's quickly look at higher time frame, looking at the monthly chart to see which way the market is heading. Now, looking at the bigger picture on GBPJPY, this is a long-term bull market. We have seen that with this monthly impulse, GBPJPY has made this big movement, followed by quite a few months of series of higher low. And we have seen that GBPJPY, after creating a big move to the upside, this month had an unusual breakdown. This is the monthly candle. From this level, we have seen a complete breakup structure. As we are almost at the end of the month, we could see that another wave of drop we can see expect on GJ as the price is heading to this monthly support level where there is a high liquidity. And previously we have seen the price tested this level, and as you can see on the lower time frame the trend is still down, so you could see that GJ dropping back to this monthly support level again. Looking at the weekly time frame to see how the price is doing. Now from the weekly we can see a little different picture. First of all, we have seen that there was once the market opened with the weekly, and the price did not come down for any kind of pullback. So there is a long wick here, there is a long wick here, and this zone has no long wick, so it is an imbalance in the market as the price created a lower high in this selling zone from this level. So if we draw this level here, we saw that in the past from the weekly this level acted here as support. We saw a retest as a resistance from a long wick candle, and the price reached that same level and formed a lower high from the weekly, which is a sign that GBPJPY sellers are stronger, and we can expect for the price to drop further in that direction. And this is the weekly opening, and I think that GJ now highly likely could come back down to retest this weekly support level before bouncing back up or even breaking that low to fill that imbalance from the weekly perspective. Now, looking at the daily chart, previous day we have seen a big move which is more than almost 2 ATR move on GBPJPY has given another momentum, and we saw as a result today the market started to drop. Now with the drop, what I think that the price could try to break this daily low, which is also, if we go back to the weekly, also the weekly low. And what I think that from the daily, if we look at again, we could see GBPJPY dropping down to 180, which is almost 160 pip move possible in that direction on GJ. So now let's see on the lower time frame how we can find trading opportunity in this movement. Now with this 4 hour time frame, we saw that GBPJPY was gathering liquidity from the top and trending with a local downtrending market structure. With the trend, as we are expecting the price to come down, as we can see that there is a manipulation here, and which is also a liquidity zone, and this is where we can expect GJ to drop together for the liquidity for another move or moving back up to the resistance level again. So looking at the 1 hour chart or even in the lower time frame, we can find trading opportunity. This is the 30-minute chart. As you can see, the price consolidating in that area multiple times, and what I think that we could see another manipulation which is possible because the price is consolidating here and there is liquidity. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect GBPJPY to break this 30 minutes resistance to grab liquidity and then to drop back to this long-term support level. Any break of structure to the upside either on the 15 minutes or in the 30 minutes, we look for going short on GBPJPY with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoy this analysis, make sure you're liking this and also subscribing to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.